Hey guys, Glenn here. In this video, I'm going to go over how much money my Etsy shop made last year and go over the fine details that you need to be aware of if you aim to do the same. I was able to earn a significant amount of money through selling my 3D prints in the platform. Before I get into tips that you need to know, I'm going to show you exactly how much I made and break it down for you. Alright, here we are at my dashboard. Now, up to this point, we made $41,100 up to today. Now, if you go to last year, we did $36,900. So it's not bad for about 7 months worth of being open on Etsy. Here we are at the Finances tab. Etsy makes it very nice and easy for us to see what our net profit is, not counting materials and labor and stuff like that. So far we made $27,760. Our total sales is almost $45,000. Now, marketing, fees, and shipping take a lot out of this. So we're looking at $3,600 in marketing, which is Etsy ads. And we got fees, which is Etsy fees every time you put an item up or you sell an item and have a relist, and they take out all their fees, the credit card fees, all that stuff. So that's $5,400. And then you got shipping, which shipping, that's why it's very important to watch my videos on shipping, because it's $8,000. It could have been a lot more if I didn't really focus on getting my shipping costs down. I do have a video about that. Go ahead and watch that after this video. Now, to break it down even more, I had 1,802 sales, which here it says it's 48,000. That's actually our total sales is 48,300, but it's taken out refunds, which I gave $406 worth of refunds, which I don't even remember giving that many refunds. And also sales tax paid by the buyer, which is about $3,000, but that doesn't count at all for me. I don't care about that. So really you want to look at the $45,000 figure. The credits, I believe, is just because I'm an Etsy Plus and I think they give me credits to post things. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Now, if we break down the fees, my listing fees are almost $700 just to list items. But for me, completely worth it, because even if the item doesn't sell, for 20 cents it tells me a very important thing, saying that this item will either work or it will not work. Or maybe it's just not good enough. I make sure that it automatically doesn't renew my items, so that every 3 months, if it doesn't sell, I'll know it doesn't sell, and I can look into my SEO and my pictures and make them better, or decide maybe it's just not a good product to sell. And then we got processing fees, which that's the credit card fees of $1,900. Now, marketing. I paid $3,000 in Etsy ads, which I'm going to make a video about that and how to make Etsy ads work for you when I have time. And then I also paid $652 in offsite ads, which, by the way, offsite ads, completely worth it. Definitely have them on. And then you got the Etsy Plus subscription. Is it worth it? Is it not? I'll make a video about that as well. But for me, $10 a month isn't a big deal. So for a general case, I want to take this $28,000 almost, and I want to take about 10% off for my margin, because I'm running at about a 90% margin, so about 10% of that is for my materials. I use primarily PLA and PETG plastic. It depends what the item is, but I get them very cheap from Amazon. It doesn't really cost me much, so out of the 28,000, I'm probably paying $2 to $3 grand on plastic, probably closer to the 2,000. Now let's get into some tips that help me accomplish this goal. And by the way, if you like making money on Etsy, consider subscribing to my channel. It's free and makes me jump up and down in joy every time someone presses that button. Now, I know many of you may be interested in starting your own Etsy shop, or you already have one, like all the subscribers that comment and ask questions on my channel. So I wanted to share some tips that help me be successful, so listen up. First of all, find your niche. It's important to find a specific niche that you're passionate about and there is a high demand for. For example, if you like making jewelry, focus on that instead of a wide range of items to sell. You don't want to be selling jewelry, garbage cans, and dog leashes. It makes no sense. People that come to your channel want to see some kind of professional conformity in the products that you sell. Number 2 would be take great photos. Now, you probably hear this from me a lot, but the photos you use to showcase your products are crucial to making sales. Make sure they're high quality, well lit, and show off your items in the best way possible. I have a video on my channel reviewing the photo box I use, and it has done wonders for my shop. The difference is amazing. And if you don't have a photo box, you really need one. I'll link that video at the end of this one so that you can watch it as well. Number 3 is optimize your listings. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions to make your items show up in search. If you're on page 52, you're not going to make many sales. I'll be doing a video probably within the next week about how I do my SEO, and that should really help things along with getting you guys to the front page. Also, make your pricing competitive. I don't mean free, but you should be somewhere in the middle of your competitors if you want a good ratio of sales to good margin. Number 4, be responsive to customer inquiries. Responding quickly and professionally to customers' questions and concerns can help you build trust and make them more likely to purchase from you. I try to get back to my customers right away. If I'm not doing something important, I answer them in the quickest time frame possible, and usually, if someone messages me, I usually sell about 95% of those people that message me because they're just wowed that I responded right away and answered their question. If they don't know, if you left something out, for instance, like the size of the product or the color or certain details that they need to know, if they get an answer right away, they're already ready to purchase. They're going to press that button because they're already messaging you because they want it. They just don't know if it's going to be the exact fit and they don't want to waste their money. So respond to them right away, professionally and courteously. And another tip, use smiley faces in your messages whenever possible. Everyone gets a better vibe when there's a smiley face at the end of your sentence. Number 5, promote your shop. Utilize social media and other platforms to promote your shop and reach a wider audience. You can start your own TikTok channel and TikTok about your items. Believe it or not, sometimes it might go viral. With social media, you should have a Facebook page, and all your friends should know about it. Post consistently and make a schedule to stick to it. I hope that these tips will help someone out to have success on this platform as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Watch this video next. Have a great day.